apo ko yan. Napakamahal niyan.
Hindi, kinuha mo to?
Akin na yan. Akin na yan. Ano mo hindi? Magnanako ka eh.
Oh, sa'yo na. Masaya ka na?
Regalo ko to sa apo ko eh.
But it's not her fault. I gave her the necklace.
You gave it to her?
Yes.
Why?
Because she saved my life.
You gave it to her?
Yes. Halika na, anak. Umalis na tayo dito.
Uy, Norma, may bisita kayo?
Uy, yung burang sa bahay magdi-dinner.
Ha? Sino burang?
Yung lola ni Luis.
Lola ni Luis, bakit? Galit pa rin ba siya sa'yo?
Naku, kung alam mo lang, tanggap ko kung ako yung inaapi-api. Pero yung bata, kawawa.
Eh, tapos na yung nangyari na.
Eh basta, ayoko sa kanya, hindi ko siya gusto.
Ay, bakla, bagay.
Sige na mga malay pa ako. Ma'am! Ano ba naman sa'yo, ma'am? Luis! Ruben! Bumaba kayo dito! Ma'am! Ma'am! Luis! Hindi kayo dito! Anak! Bantayan mo siya! Huwag kang malas dito! Nay! Ano nangyari? Bakit po? Luis! Tawagin mo yung dati mo! Bilisan mo! Dali! Huwag kayo maalis dyan, ha?
Norma, nagising nga pala si Luis.
Sir, andun na po pala kayo. Buhay ng pansin. Mukhang pagod na pagod kaya. Mukhang walang tulog.
Papalit na ako ng damit. Wala rin kasi mo papatay kay Mami. Gusto niya maganda.
Sige po.
Ay, pala. Sabi ng doktor, buti na naagapan si Mama kanina. Buti lang natin mo siya.
Kahit yun naman po, sir, gagawin niya.
Hila at Norma. Salamat ka.
The movie masterpiece entitled Inang Yaya, released in 2006 and starring Norma, played by the Diamond star Maricel Soriano, is a testament to the true essence of the fundamental cluster of the Civic Welfare Training Service, Makatao. The main protagonist embodies three core principles of this cluster: a heart filled with love, compassion, and generosity towards others.
Love is shown in how, even though Lola Toots, the antagonist, often treats Norma unfairly and belittles her, Norma continues to treat her with affectionate respect, a form of love that is humble and service-oriented.
Second, Norma demonstrates compassion by seeing beyond Lola Toots' pride and temper. She recognizes that the older woman's strictness comes not from cruelty, but from love and fear for her granddaughter.
Lastly, Norma shows the epitome of generosity, quiet yet powerful. It is not material generosity, but an emotional one expressed through patience, respect, and understanding. This is evident when Norma shows genuine concern for Lola Toots after she loses consciousness and collapses on the floor. The protagonist immediately calls for help, proving her sincere care and humanity.
Ultimately, the film is a great representation that the greatest service to humanity begins with a heart willing to love and understand others beyond social and personal differences. And that is what you call being makatao.